The whole idea of early morning wake up, if you wake up, say around 3 o'clock, you can be in an awareness. People often think that if you wake up, I will not get sleep, it's disturbed, I cannot work. See, this is all human made thing. We got coffee and habit. We got into sleep. It's also a habit. So because we got sleep, we'll do recycle. But sleep actually not recycling everything. Sleep is good, but not many people are deeply sleeping, first of all. If you deeply sleep, less hours are good enough. If you change things in the food, even you can reduce the number of hours. And if you're in awareness in 24/7, you may have like 1 or 2 hours of a little deep sleep. Other times you will have awareness. Whenever you wake up, staying in that awareness, and then you wake up, really wake up, because you need the rectal when it functions. You do the elimination. Sangani Gugu, we saw that the Gugu functions as the particular time where we need to eliminate. So because when you carry the first, second thing that you wanted to do, elimination, and Siddha knowledge talks about elimination twice. One in the morning, one in the evening. Because whatever you ate in the night, the afternoon, you should be eliminating. Afternoon and the morning should be eliminated in the evening. Whatever you ate in the night, that one keeps your system. When your system is pure, your lifetime extends. Because every problem comes from the gut. And this produce whenever Aama is produced. When you're sleeping longer, you're carrying the Aama, number one. What is the wrong in I'm sleeping till 9 o'clock in the morning? What is wrong? Because you're carrying that stuff which need to be eliminated in that particular time. So that particular time, if it is not eliminated, the excess Aama, we call the toxins, they turn the Abanavaayu reversal happens. The Abanavaayu is supposed to go downward, but there is no downward thing happening at that time. Then upward movement happens. Because now after the Abanavaayu, that is the maximum time. When that particular time, if you are eliminating, that particular time, the Abanavaayu forces, there are 12 Vayus in the body. The downward going Vayu, Abanavaayu will go downward, and that time, now there is no downward, it will turn upward if the time is not properly followed. So then you will have problems. Other parts of the body, and if you continue to persist on this kind of an habit, you will end up in lot of problems. And today's generation, kids have this problem. They want to sleep. If you look at the weekend, they will sleep or they will wake up early morning. Even the weekdays, as you go, like college students and all, they'll like crazily be working till 3 o'clock and then they sleep and they wake up in the afternoon, those kind of things. So these all are disorders. They will have a lot of problems which we cannot prevent also. So they will suffer in this generation and then they will learn. Because this generation, parents don't have control with the kids.